Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Eric and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking that subscribe button down below. Also make sure you hit the notification bell to see each time I upload a new video. So today guys, we are doing this cute little ponytail, and we got this right on quick, honey. Now we got it right on quick. Okay, so if you want to see how I install my ponytail, then stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. So now I'm just applying my Chevy hair growth oil. I'm putting that on my scalp and around my edges. So I washed my hair, conditioned my hair, added a leave-in, and I just braided it until I was ready to do my ponytail. If you have not been here before, I like to do my ponytails on damp hair in a way. Sometimes it'll be wet, but I prefer to do my ponytails on my damp hair. It's just easier for me to control. Like, I cannot do it in its fro state. Like my hair's too thick for that, so I always just does it. Is that a word? Does it? I always just do my hair on damp hair. So I'm just taking like this dimming brush, and I'm just further detangling. I use this brush to start out with, just to make sure everything's like sleek. It gives a sleek look, and it like really draws the hair in. But it can be a pain in my behind sometimes. So I alternated between that brush and then this other paddle brush, and it has like the little balls on it, and that one kind of does the job a little bit better, but it does not, I don't know how to put it, but it just does not bring all that hair together. The dimming brush is kind of like a fine tooth comb in a way. So we're just going to be mapping out, and we're going to prepare to mold my hair. Once I have the hair in a ponytail, I like to go ahead and just pull my baby hairs out, the hair that I want out, because it's harder to sleek your edges down when everything is like pretty much slicked back. So I like to go in and just pull those hairs out. And as you can see, my hair is like super curly, but I did go in and I'm trimming, because y'all gonna see when I start laying my edges, it don't make no sense. I trim my edges all the time. Them suckers grow back so fast. But I'm gonna just let y'all see when I get ready to do my whole edge moment. Yeah, y'all gonna see how long them hairs is. So I'm just using my what is that, my gel, wetline gel, to mold my hair. And I'm gonna be using some mousse later on, and just some got to be glue spray. So
it's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
my molding method is pretty easy. I like to keep it simple. I don't like to put too much products because then you have that whole product build up, and I know how my hair just, like, as the style get older, it just starts to look a hot mess. So that's why I just do gel and mousse and some got to be spray just to hold things in place. But once I mold my hair, I wanted this to dry really well, so I did my hair like around 12, and I didn't sit under a dryer or anything. I went and did my mom's hair. I retwisted her hair, so that took me a few hours. So I let it dry for about 3 hours. And now I'm just going back, and I'm going to be using this edge booster. I'm trying this out for the first time, y'all. This thing worked. But let me just look how long the baby hairs is. Like, girl, those are not baby hairs. Them grandma hairs, like mature hairs. Okay, we're giving mid-life. So I'm just taking that edge booster, which worked very well. It says it's like a stream hole, and I'm just doing my little edge work. Y'all, if y'all follow me from the beginning, y'all know I could not do edges like that. Girl, I done mastered this thing. I done figured this thing out. So I am going to go in and cut some parts of my sideburns, because we was giving very much Ashanti. And if you know, if you have Ashantis like me, girl, you know them sideburns, like, they can go down and become a beard. Like, that's just how long it gets. So I do go back and trim it, just kind of clean it up a little bit. And then I'm gonna put some of that black wrap paper on my hair, as well as my Uni's it's like a satin scarf, and we're gonna let that sit. Okay, so let's get into this ponytail. So I went to my local beauty supply store, and I've stumbled upon this hair, and I'm like, where was this hair last year when my hair was this color? Anyway, so this is the Outre's Pretty Quick Wrap Ponytail. This is the Bohemian Coils, and it is 18 inches long, and this is synthetic hair, you guys, but you cannot tell that this is synthetic hair. This hair looks so good. And the color is 2T1 and then 360. Excuse me, I can't see. Is that a 6 or 5? Anyways, I'll have it down below in the description box. But I got it locally. You could definitely probably find this thing on Amazon. You can find anything on Amazon. But yeah, this ponytail, y'all, it was so easy to get this ponytail on. It comes, I don't even think I showed that, but it comes with 3 combs. It has a 1 comb in the middle, and it has 2 small combs on the side, and you literally just take that middle comb and you're gonna place it down into your ponytail. You can leave your hair braided like I did, or you can do a bun. It does not matter. The ponytail is really, really full. And I'm just gonna let you guys watch, because if you're visual like me, you kind of need to see things. So yeah. So I wanted you guys to watch it, because I know I can't watch and listen at the same time for some reason. But basically, you put the clip in, and you put it down into your bun or ponytail, and then you wrap it and you put those other 2 clips kind of like around it, and you just like go under the ponytail. And then they gave you this straight piece, which is your wraparound piece. Y'all, 2 minutes. 2 minutes is all you need. Like, I snatched this sucker off last night, put her back on today. I'm back home, it's off again. Like, I love this. I live for this. So the ponytail is on. So far, I am loving my ponytail. Like I say, it is synthetic. I'm experiencing like small amounts of like tangling, but I understand that. But it's no big deal. It literally looks human hair and it feels like human hair. And I received a lot of compliments on my hair today. So definitely get you a ponytail, y'all. This thing was like $12. Something quick, real quick. She quick, okay? I needed this ponytail a year ago. Where were y'all?